My brother tells a story about getting rained out on a family camping trip in North Dakota. They pulled up stakes at 2 in the morning with a wet tent, soggy sleeping bags, and a grumpy family. Dark, drenched, and drowsy, they turned on Interstate 90 heading home to Missouri. A couple hours later, he was stunned to read a sign that said, "Welcome to Wyoming?" He'd been driving in the wrong direction. How long does it take to change directions in your cow herd? Maybe you've been reading Kit Farrow's newsletter for some time and you recognize you need to move toward grass-efficient, low-maintenance genetics so you can be profitable in the future. How long does it take to get there? Well, it takes a long time if you're headed in the wrong direction. The breeding decisions you make today are vitally important, yet the results will show up in your cow herd for years to come. If you want to produce a set of easy-fleshing, moderate-framed heifers like these, it takes years of consistent bull buying decisions. However, you will never get there if you don't start. This group of 2-year-old cows began in 2023. I put a PCC bull out with their mothers in June. They were born in March of 2024 and weaned the following October. They ran with a new PCC bull the summer of 25, and they are calving now in 2026. I won't market these calves until 2027. That's 4 years. The reality is, I would still be producing 1,600-pound hay burners if I had not changed directions with my bull buying decisions. Instead, with the same amount of money and the same amount of time, I produce something better that will benefit me for years to come. PCC is focused on moderate frame, low maintenance, easy fleshing genetics that will change your future in the cattle business. Don't forget that like begets like. It is true that you will never get where you need to go if you don't start, but it is certain you won't get there if you're going in the wrong direction. I'll see you next time on the Herd Quitter Minute.